Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, Lady Cookin' Luck. So I know it's been a really long time since I posted a video on here, and I am so sorry for that, but there's just been so much going on in my life. And if you follow me on my beauty channel, then you would know that my husband and I were moving out of our apartment, and it was just crazy, so I haven't had the chance to record any food videos. But today I decided just to cut the camera on from the time I ate breakfast until I ate dinner tonight, and I have recorded everything I've ate and cooked within this entire day. And thinking back right now of everything that I cooked and showed that I ate today, I feel like I really ate a lot today. By the way, my ice cream is done in the freezer. I'm just too full to even think about eating it. So I think I'm gonna cover it up in some saran wrap and maybe eat it tomorrow. But I made that the other day and it actually turned out okay. But anyways, like I said, in this video, it's just gonna be showing you everything I cooked today and everything I ate. So I hope you enjoy it. Once again, I'm so sorry for being MIA and not posting. There's just been so much going on, but I hope that pretty soon I'm gonna get back in the groove of doing my cooking videos on this cooking channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Turn on the notifications so that you'll be notified every time I post a video. Leave me some comments down below and I'll see you later. Bye!
Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding, but in all your ways acknowledge Him and He will direct your paths. So the first thing I'm going to do is make some tea, but I wanted to show y'all my little coffee tea drawer first. I've been drinking these coffees from Walmart. They are Walmart brand, donut shop or whatever, but this is my favorite, is pumpkin spice. And this is Alan's new favorite tea. It's also pumpkin spice, so yeah, we have issues. And these are just some plain black tea bags over here. Back here I have some ashwagandha tea from M.I.A. And I also have my teeny teas too. So the first thing I'm going to do is make me some teeny skinny. These two teas are part of a detox program from the Teamy Tea Company. The Teamy Skinny you drink every morning, and the Teamy Colon you drink every other night. I actually did this detox before and I lost 9 pounds and kept it off, so I really wanted to do it again because I just think it works great. So the Teamy Skinny is actually loose tea leaves, and you just put them in your handy dandy Teamy tumbler and put this little mesh thing on top so that the leaves don't get in your mouth, and it works out pretty good. So for breakfast, I'm going to be having this Quaker oatmeal, raisin and spice oatmeal. I love oatmeal. I'm going to put it in this cute little bowl right here, add some water. I'm going to put it up in the microwave for a few minutes and let it cook itself. I'm going to be adding some peanut butter to my oatmeal. I know that probably sounds gross, but I love peanut butter in my oatmeal. And basically, ooh, this oatmeal's hot. Look at my screen fogging up. Basically, I just mix it in until it melts, and you know what? It's delicious. Don't knock it till you try it. Well, if you love peanut butter, then you'll like it. Now I'm just gonna make me a little snack. I got some baby carrots and some hummus. I'm just gonna put me some little baby carrots on the plate, put a little hummus, and I am gonna eat that up and enjoy it. For lunch, I am sauteing some baby spinach in some olive oil. I love baby spinach. I also threw in 2 baby potatoes that were previously microwaved, so they are already cooked, girl. Makes it easier to cook in this frying pan. Then I cracked 2 eggs in here, and now I'm just literally gonna mix it all together. Add a little basil. Add a little pepper. And then after that, I'm going to add a little salt. And then I literally just mix it all together. It's so good. I'm also going to have me a piece of this 12 grain toast with my little meal here. I love toast and butter. And there it is. I know it looks disgusting, but it's really good and it's really filling. And yeah, I just like it. This right here is some banana ice cream that I previously made, and I put in some Wisconsin cow pie chocolates up in there. So I am going to let this sit in the freezer so it can freeze, and maybe I'll eat it later, I don't know. So for dinner, I made some yellow rice, and then I made some tacos with all the delicious fixings, girl. We got that ground beef, that taco meat. We got some lettuce, some shredded cheeses, some diced up tomatoes. Got that lime juice, that Ortega taco sauce, and some Daisy sour cream. And tortillas, of course. There's my little taco. Put that lime juice on. Girl, so good, so good. And now, to end the night, I'm going to have me some Teamy Colon tea, because you drink this every other night, and this was the night I was supposed to be drinking it. These actually come in little pouches, so you don't have to worry about the tea leaves getting in your mouth, which is awesome. You could just put them in a regular coffee cup and enjoy the benefits. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this. See you later.